Hey, welcome back to the quadratic quadratic AI analysis channel. See, this is going to be a very quick video. We'll go over some plots I did, some analysis I did of the Vanguard LifeStrategy Growth Fund. Of course, as always, before we get started, big favor, click the like button, click the subscribe button, share the video with a friend. Of course, as always, this is intended simply for educational purposes only, and do not use it to make financial decisions. Okay. So I began by simply asking it to do three basic stock analysis plots. That's a Bollinger Bands plot you can see here, the RSI plot, the MACD plot, and finally a 100 moving average. So if we come back up here, you see nice here, the prices are remaining above the 20 moving average line. Okay, but within the plus or minus 2 standard deviation lines, within that, that's also a good sign. Come down here, we look at the LifeStrategy Growth Fund. Again, you can see, yeah, it took a big hit in April like everybody else did, but now it's really moving horizontally between, it took a big hit up here, then my goodness, and it dropped back down. So I guess we missed a couple big moves, but for the most part, it's really moving horizontally. I think from the long-term investment point, there's really nothing to get excited about here. Okay, come on down. What about the MACD plot? Well, we do see some positive, negative momentum in the histograms. It's not really strong, because you can see up here, it's kind of meandering up and down underneath the red signal line. It's not really a big, strong movement. What about, of course, finally we look at the 100 moving average line, right? Then let's come down again. Let's take a look at the actual versus predicted prices for the period. Okay. Now finally, let's begin to take a look at returns, like the monthly returns. The good news is you can see here, lots of positive returns, more positive returns since 2023 than negative returns. We can come back up, kind of moving around here. We can take a look at a couple quick forecasts. This is the ANAI forecast. This is the ETS forecast with the bands. This is the one I like the most. This is the REMA forecast, but the actual errors tell us that, well, if you look here at this analysis, you can see that all three plots are very close, very close. I mean, it's the ETS is a little bit closer. It's at 1.167 versus 169. This is 217 versus 218, and 33. But they're still really close, aren't they? It's really crazy close for the forecast accuracy. Weekly returns for the year, again, more positive weekly returns than negative returns, right? And finally, cumulative returns, and there you have it, your very quick analysis for the Vanguard LifeStrategy Growth Fund using quadratic AI analysis. We did basic plots, we did forecasts, and now we finished up with some returns.